To be a man is to suffer for others. God help us be men. We don't need perfect political systems, we need perfect participation. To make a dream come true, the first requirement is a great capacity to dream, the second is persistence. When you sacrifice, you force others to sacrifice. It's an extremely powerful weapon. Preservation of one's own culture does not require contempt or disrespect for other cultures. In some cases, non-violence requires more militancy than violence. A fight is never about grapes or lettuce. It's about people. Being of service is not enough. You must become a servant of the people. When you do, you can demand their commitment in return. There is no turning back, we will win. We are winning because ours is a revolution of the mind and heart. Non-violence means people in action. People have to understand that with non-violence goes a hell of a lot of organization. There is no such thing as defeat in non-violence. The end of all knowledge should be service to others. Years of misguided teaching have resulted in the destruction of the best in our society, our cultures, and in the environment. Students must have initiative, they should not be mere imitators. They must learn to think and act for themselves, and be free. Children of farm workers should be as proud of their professions as other children are of theirs. Our language is the reflection of ourselves. A language is an exact reflection of character and growth of its speakers. There is no substitute for hard work, 23 or 24 hours a day. And there is no substitute for patience and acceptance. You are never strong enough that you don't need help. If you really want to make a friend, go to someone's house and eat with him. The people who give you their food give you their heart. Friends, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.